Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the famous quote from Lao Tzu. To lead the people, walk behind them. This is a quote that has its roots in Chinese philosophy and has been passed down through generations. In this video, we'll be talking about the origin of this quote, what it means, and how we can apply it in our daily lives. So, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the origin of this quote. This quote comes from ancient Chinese texts and has been used as a metaphor to describe the behavior and attitude of a good leader. In Chinese culture, philosophy and proverbs play a significant role in providing guidance and insight into how to live and work well. So, this quote has a broad and meaningful significance to the Chinese people and is often used in the context of leadership and teamwork. Now, let's talk about what this quote means. The meaning of this quote is about putting the needs and desires of the people you lead before your own. A leader who walks in front of their followers may be seen as arrogant or self-centered, while a leader who walks behind them shows that they are listening to people and are there to help. Leadership is all about guiding people towards a common goal, not about imposing your own vision. A leader who understands the needs and desires of the people they lead will be able to motivate and inspire them to work towards that goal. When people feel heard and valued, they are more likely to be involved and committed to the success of the group. In practical terms, this means that a good leader must take the time to listen to their followers, understand their perspective, and respond to their needs. A leader who walks behind their followers can see things from their viewpoint and make decisions that are in their best interest. This kind of leadership creates a sense of trust and respect between the leader and the followers, and helps build a strong and effective team. So, how can we apply this quote to our daily lives? Whether you are leading a team at work or leading a family, the principles of this quote can be applied to any situation where teamwork and leadership are important. By putting the needs of others before your own and taking the time to understand their perspective, you can build strong relationships and work effectively towards a common goal. In conclusion, the quote "to lead the people, walk behind them" emphasizes the importance of empathy and understanding in leadership. A good leader should prioritize the needs of their followers, listen to their perspective, and respond to their needs to motivate and inspire them towards a common goal. By walking behind people, a leader shows that they are there to help and guide, not to impose their own vision. So, that's it for today's video on the quote "to lead the people, walk behind them." I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.